Hi everyone, Melissa here coming on today with the Saturday morning makes with Jill Norwood. I'll have her link down below and let's jump right in. Starting out, I am going to be using this LDRS Creative. And as you can see, it says Basic Picnic Quilt, and I love, this is probably one of my favorite embossing folders. I really don't use it enough. But that's what I'm using, as well as a few stamp sets. So we got You're So Kind from Cards TV Stamps, favorite phrases. And then from Good Friends, we are using Sweet Friend. And from My Creative Time, I am using Wishing You the Perfect Day. All right, and then for the dies, I am using let's see, Friend and Hello. And these are from, I'm going to say, Whimsy Stamps. And from My Creative Time, I am using this center die here. And I made it so I shortened it. So I used that on all three cards that I made. And from this set, which has been in my stuffs for years, I am using this die here, this one here, and this one there. And from Elizabeth Craft, I'm using Dashes Rectangles. I believe that's what she calls it. And then from Sizzix, I am using this Thanks. So it looks like that. And then this is the star of the show from Honeybee Stamps. I'm using that coneflower die. I've had this for a couple months, and I made a couple items from it, which I didn't really like. So anyways, my friend and I, we challenged ourselves to use that. I do not have our card to share. But anyways, I'm going to share mine for Saturday morning makes. And so let's continue. Anyways, I'm using this mustard seed distress ink, as well as this fossilized amber, the forest moss, and the festive berries, if I can speak right. And then this is the last thing I am using, which is the Paper Roses Shaker Mix. Love this stuff. All right, let's just slide these out here to you. I thought they turned out absolutely gorgeous. This was the first one I made, and I liked it so much I just wanted to make a few more. So anyways, I used that festive berries and the mustard, not the mustard seed, but that other color. I don't remember, fossilized amber, I think it was. And then as you see the embossing folder, and then I combined Friend and Wishing You the Perfect Day together to make it as a sentiment there. And as you see those little gems there I added. Now I didn't take out the center of this because I thought, with all of the pattern behind it, I just wanted it to look kind of plain. So I just left that in there, and I inked up the leaves to add a little bit more texture to it. And this one I used, I think this is the one. Yes, I used green paper for this. But for these, I used white paper, and I tried to bring in that color dark enough so that it looked like this. And that's the same color paper on all three of those. But I love how it turned out. And then there goes my favorite inside die. And so I used that. Now this one, I used that mustard seed yellow on that one. And there goes the thanks. You're so kind. And yeah, so I did add those little droplets onto the flowers to act like water droplets. And so I thought that turned out really cute. I did accidentally get some red there, but I thought it gave character to the flower, so I left that. But I love it. There goes that other border die there. So I changed all the borders on there inside of that one. Now this one, I actually messed up right there. Oh, it irritated me so bad. I tried to get the eraser, but it didn't come off. So I said, hey, it is a homemade card, so what do you expect? But I still like it anyway. There goes that other border die I used, and I have the Hello Friend there, and my water droplets on there. So cute. I did forget to get one more color. And I want to say I used, yes, here it goes right here. This is the only oxide one I used, which was walnut stain. I forgot to get that. And I used that for the inside and the outside of that cut. The inside, I just did it lighter so that it could show through. But I love how it turned out. Oh my gosh. Tell me what you think. Give me your comment down below. Hit that like button if you like what you see. Make sure you head over to Jill's channel, which will be down below, or hit Saturday Morning Makes, the hashtag there, and it'll take you to everybody who joins in on Saturday Morning Makes. All right, that's all I have for you. I hope you like these. I do. You all have a blessed and crafty day.